Hello everyone who is watching this video. When you decided to create a video and upload it to YouTube, of course you asked. The question is, which video editor do you use? And in this video I will tell you in general terms about the Movavi video editor. Why about him? The first time I used it myself and I'm not disappointed. The main thing is that it is very easy to master this program even for a beginner. It is intuitively clear how to work, nothing more, where you can get confused or study for a long time. Can be uploaded directly to YouTube. There are different versions of the editor, but the basics are the same in all. To make it easier to master the program, let's create together. Short clip, making the most of the editor itself, and in the future it will be easy to master the editor. Always before you start creating, take a couple of steps. Decide for yourself what the clip will be, what will be shown in it. And collect all the material, photos, drawings, videos, sounds, music and so on. And only then begin. Here I use only the editor library. And let's get started. First you need to insert some file. This can be done by clicking import files and paste from your computer. You can insert your files and just learn how to work with your files. If you have already prepared them as I suggested to you. But let's continue. But I will use of editor files. I choose a background, there I click on the background I like and just. By clicking with the mouse, I drag it down to the video track. As you can see, there are three main tracks at the bottom. The first one is for text and effects. The second for video and drawings. And the third track, music. By selecting the background with the mouse, you simply drag it to the second track. If desired, your file can be stretched over time scale, which is over tracks, but except for the inserted video files. On the right screen is a player where you can see what it looks like. Your video. For now, it's just the background. So it's time to take it a little improve. And we will do this with the help of inserting text with effects. Click T button and choose what you like. Just use the mouse to drag to the text track. As you can see, the effect is with the text being longer than your background. It's not a problem. Click on the text effect to highlight it and reduce its duration. More precisely, we compare in time with the background. As you can see, the text with the effect is almost invisible, and therefore the text needs to be corrected. To do this, select the text track, double-click the mouse and a window for working with text appears on the left. Change the text to your own. As an example, this is my first video. And in the right window of the player, you can adjust the length, location of the text and frame, but the text blends into the background and is almost invisible. It's time to change something. Click again on the text track or on the player on the right. Since the text is with an effect, let's start with the frame. Highlight and choose the right color. We do the same with your text, select it and choose a color. Here I chose the same colors. But you can choose according to your taste. Now you can choose the font, there is a very large selection for you. Next, you can adjust the location of the text or frame. Now we can study the audio track. Select background sounds. You can first listen to each sound and finally choose the one that suits you. You just have to use the mouse to drag and drop the selected audio track. And here we see that your choice is longer than your clip, or rather the intro. What to do? You can stretch the splash screen and text along the timeline. But it won't be right. Because the screensaver takes up to 5 minutes. We select the audio track and put the red cursor on the place where we want to cut the track. Above we see the scissors icon, click this icon in the sound file. Clip at the point where you place the red cursor. Click on the part we don't need and delete it with the delete button. Next, we set all the tracks to the same length and time, which need to be shortened or lengthened. And finally, so that you don't have to do separate screensaver for video on YouTube, put your cursor in a place where all your text will be visible, under. The player has a photo or snapshot button. Click and save to your computer. There is a beginning, then it gets easier. Next, let's select some video from the editor's library. Click Import File and Video Samples. In Library let's choose the right video. By clicking on each video we can preview and choose what we need. Well, let's choose this. Use your mouse to drag this video to desired track. Let's leave it like that for now, and then choose the appropriate one. Music. In the same place, click on the music button and we can also click on each, listen and choose what we like. Drag and drop again. Click on the audio track. And the music itself turns out to be much longer video. Let's cut somewhere. For this, as before, it was said, we put the red cursor on that place, having previously selected with the mouse. Music. And we press the scissors. Again, select the unnecessary part and delete. It's time to decorate our video a little with the effect of moving from page to another. To do this, click on the third button with transition effects in the menu on the left. Just like in the previous steps, you can review and choose the one you need. To do this, drag the mouse between the videos and a small icon appears. Let's check what we got. Drag the cursor to the beginning and press start on the player. Everything is great. But let's make the effect of your music more interesting. Click on the music and then select the clip options. In the window that appears, select fade out and drag it forward. On the music track, you will notice how the sound decreases at the very end. The music seems to fade away. Let's check what we got. Wonderful! It's time to save your first created video to your computer. Press the export button below the player. A new window will appear. There you can choose the video format. The best option is MP4, change the name of your video, choose which folder to save, and which quality. After that, it remains only to click on the start. I won't do it too. Formatting the file and uploading may take some time. And now you are ready to upload to YouTube. Nothing complicated, everything is quite simple and you yourself will understand it. Practice a little and you'll be real editor. Good luck with your creativity.